Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to fix drawing error, how to link the drawing with its part. Here we have this part, and this one is the drawing of this part. This is the drawing, and this one is the part. Sometimes by changing its properties, for example, I change its name, rename it P3 to P4. First of all, we close this part from Solidworks. Now we will rename it. We will also close this drawing part. We rename this part P3 to P4. Now if I open this drawing, it will show some errors like this. To fix this drawing error, we have to first of all open Solidworks, select File, here select Open, go to the location of the part, here is the drawing, just single click here and select Reference. Now here double click and again go to the location of the part and select Open. Now select OK. Again select Open. Now this drawing is linked to this part. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.